Hi guys, Joe from Pepper in the Woods. I just want to show you guys these ones. I'm trying to think outside of the box from the brass knuckle video and the baton video, which no one really liked. But these ones here, I saw on Wish. They were £4 for the item and then £4 shipping. Now, I thought ideas for this would be, say you have a drive and you don't want any cars coming up there or whatever, or you want to kind of secure your house. So you put these out on your drive, and definitely would give a flat tire to a car. These are quite sharp and pointy, as you can see. And anywhere you drop them, they always land point up, so you can't really mess that up. Or you could be a crazy ex-girlfriend and you want to mess up your ex-boyfriend's car. I don't know. But also, if you secure a house, these would go through a tennis shoe or some kind of thin-soled shoe. And then mess up your foot pretty good. If you step, these are worse than Legos. If this is barefoot on this would mess you up. Yeah. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Just a quick one. Possible bug out bag, maybe not. Other ideas, if you want to make these on the cheap, you could cut a section of garden hose off and then put nails in at different angles. It'll be bulkier than this, but that would be the poor man's way of doing it, just to secure your drive to your house. Or again, once inside your house, maybe you just get into a abandoned house and you want to put something by the doors to be a deterrent. It's up to you. But you do get quite a few. Let me just show that up a minute. Hold on. So you get, so say anywhere you drop them, they're good to go. So just an idea. I'll put a link in the description box below. Let me know what you guys think. There's nothing new. I mean, people made these for years. I mean, police made stingers and stuff like that. But I just thought for general public, you know, just something cool. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.